Dear students, today I am going to introduce you all to GeoBoard. This is a virtual GeoBoard. We can use GeoBoard to understand various mathematical concepts like perimeter, area, properties of triangle, circles, and many more. So today I will explain some features of this GeoBoard. At the bottom you can see there are various options available to us. We can choose a geoboard of our own choice according to our requirement. Suppose if we take the first one, we can also draw lines. We can also show numbers if we wish to. Now how can we use it? There are different color rubber bands available to you. We can use any rubber band and we can use it to draw any shape. Here I am drawing a rectangle. Similarly, we can draw a square. We can draw a triangle. So like this we can draw different shapes. Now apart from this, we can also draw shapes and we can measure their perimeter and areas. Here I am drawing a rectangle. Here we can count the number of boxes inside this rectangle. If we count the number of boxes inside this rectangle, then we can find its area. Also we can color this portion, we can shade inside it. So it's clear from here that there are 12 boxes inside this rectangle, so its area is 12 square units. Here we are also having an option of T where we can type text. So we can write 12 square units like that. Once we have written, we can click on done and then we can place it wherever we wish to. So like this we can show the area, we can put it inside also. We can draw different shapes. We can draw a right angle triangle like this. See, you can stretch the rubber band and give it shape of your own choice like this. So here I am drawing a right angle triangle. You can shade it by using this option. You can also draw some features of circle, like you can draw diameter of a circle or you can draw radius of circle like this. You can draw some chord of circle by joining 2 points of circle other than diameter. So like this you can draw different shapes. So various options are available it. So explore more and more features of this geoboard and use it to draw different shapes you want to draw. So I hope students you understood how this geoboard is helpful to us in learning about shapes. We can also count the length of the boundary of a figure and we can tell its perimeter. For example, if we talk about this square, you see that its perimeter is 4 units. Similarly, if we talk about this triangle or rectangle, we can also write their names. We can type their names and we can choose any color of our own choice which we want to, and then we can place it inside that figure. So I can place the name inside it. So I hope you all enjoyed learning about this new application software. So all of you just type geoboard in Google and then you can get this kind of geoboard. If you have completed all things, you want to clear your work, then you go at the first option and you can click on clear all. So like this you can explore this geoboard and draw various shapes of various perimeters and area. Thank you.